myth. Please write the word myth. Obviously, we're going to add to it. You probably know where we're going. But right now, we're going to start with the word myth, the root word. And then please write with a T chart, example 1. We'll write examples of different myths. You earn some participation credit right now by sharing. And example 2 is going to be for our term that we're covering for the class period. All right. I would like you to give at least 2 examples of a myth for the class. Of a myth. Give 2 examples of a myth. For example, one that I've written down is Bigfoot. Bigfoot. Let's give everybody a chance. I have Gustavo and Julian who are going to share first. Let me get my chart for participation credit. Gustavo, what do you have? All right.
I love that word.
Julian.
Chupacabra.
All right. And I also added Santa Claus. If you don't have one down, you could have written down the 2 that Gustavo and Julian just said. But we have Bigfoot and we have Santa Claus.
Have you heard of Leonora in this place?
I have.
She's very scary.
That's what I've heard. Now, can you please finish the word mythology? Mythology. And I would like you to give a couple examples of what the word mythology means to you. Mythology. For example, I have down here, well, we have myths and study of, the root of that, study of myths. Well, what else do you think of? Please give a couple of more examples of mythology. Either things you know of from mythology, something you see in a movie, maybe a name of a god or goddess. But please give a couple more examples. Mythology. Let me give somebody else a chance who would like to earn participation credit. Otherwise, Gustavo is taking your points. Literally, taking your points. Usual suspects is Julian and Gustavo. Examples of mythology. Gustavo, please share.
Probably like to know about.
To know about? Okay. To know about mythology, you would know about myths. Julian?
Zeus.
Zeus? Okay. He's a character from Greek mythology. Very good. Ready? Gods, exactly. We associate gods, plural, with this word mythology. Mythology. Well, if we have gods, what else do we have?
Goddesses.
We have goddesses. Trying to give somebody else a chance. All right, let's try raising those hands. Raising those hands. Andrea, can you kick the door open so we have it open? All right. Now I'd like to give non-examples of mythology. For example, science. Mythology is not based in science, in the real, in facts. Please give me a couple more examples of non-examples of mythology. And added to our examples, we have supernatural also.
Oh, yeah.
New people. Non-examples of mythology. Non-example. Brian. You get it. Oh, I thought you had your hand up. I thought that was Giovanni.
Facts.
Facts. Thank you. Facts. That's right. Mythology is not based in fact, although it's used to explain natural phenomena. What else? Non-examples of mythology. We have science, facts, Matthew. Reason. All right, reason. And one more, Gustavo.
I don't know if it's like the internet.
Internet? Okay.
That's
I guess so. It's kind of unrelated. We also have true, fact-based, or real. As we all know, mythology is based in folklore and not real. Stories that are made up about gods and goddesses to explain natural phenomena. So we have science, true, fact-based, real, and what a couple of your other classmates had mentioned. Okay, next we're going to a visual picture. A visual picture of the word mythology. For example,
Oh, that's scary.
thank you. I have a sea monster here.
I can see that.
Oh, yes, that's a sea monster. That is a sea monster. So please draw something that represents Greek mythology to you, or mythology in general.
Can I get Sydney?
Sydney, you're needed.
Yes, please.
So please draw something. Let's go ahead and give you 3 to 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes. There's gods and goddesses. There's things that represent different gods or goddesses, if you're familiar with that. Does anyone know what Zeus is represented by? Lightning bolts. That's something that you can draw.
That's a charger though.
You can draw Mount Olympus, if you're familiar with that. You can draw a sea creature. You pause it, Mr. G, right there, since there are some of the examples we have. The 2 examples we have down here. What it's not. We have 1 sentence definition of mythology. Your own definition. That's why it says my definition.
Definition of
Mythology. What does it mean to you? It's your own definition. All right, about 30 more seconds, and we'll get to our class definition. Alright, class definition. Please copy this down and then we'll fill in the blanks together. Class definition. The blank of blank and the blank and blank beings who are in them. Please copy that down and we'll fill in the blanks together.
Bless you.
Raise your hand. What do you think the first blank is? Looking for new people. Isaiah, what do you think, man? What do you think? Look at our, right down here. What would fit in there? The blank of
The
the myths of, the study of, the supernatural of.
Yeah, no.
The myths of.
Oh, well, is it like study of or just
The study of what, Isaiah?
of myths?
Myths. All right. So please fill in those blanks. Thank you for playing along. The study of myths
And supernatural
and the
human being.
I want the people because we study Odysseus. He's a person. So the study of myths and the people and supernatural beings who are in them. So let me go ahead and write that in for you, in case you didn't get it the first time. The study of myths and the people and supernatural beings who are in them. Oh, on 3, sorry. Bam, right there. So that's what your class definition should read. Alright class, now go ahead and take out a brand new sheet of paper. We're going to add some Cornell notes to our notes here.